welcome back to my channel this morning. As you guys saw, it was an early morning. I had to come into the office today, so a little change of scenery, which is really nice. Today's Friday. I'm the only one in the office today. I'm not going to show much because I don't want to, you know, show everything, but I still want to show you guys like what I eat in a day, especially like coming into the office. So it's 9 o'clock right now. I just had water. I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee, and then I have actually been craving eggs. I know, so weird. So I work in a hospital, so there's a cafeteria that's open like 24/7, and I'm gonna try to go and get like a little breakfast before breakfast ends. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is just like a realistic day of what I eat in a day, counting my calories and trying to reach my weight loss goal. Oh, and I don't even know if I told you guys in my last video, but guess where I'm going? You guys probably already know, but I just booked another trip to Thailand with my mom in a few months here. We're going in October. So you guys know nothing motivates me more than a vacation. So we're gonna get to our goals. I'm gonna post, I'm gonna keep myself accountable, and hopefully you guys or my videos can help you guys and just, you know, show you guys different ways of like tracking calories and making yummy meals that are still like low calories. So yeah, anyway, let's go make a cup of coffee. And a little bit of sugar just to give it a sweeten it up. And then this is going to be my coffee. Okay guys, I don't know what to do because I've been wanting eggs like I told you guys. So it's 10:30 right now. Breakfast is about to be over in 30 minutes, so I can go down there and get eggs and sausage. But I'm looking at the menu, and let me just show you guys what they have today in our cafeteria. So for soup, they have chicken tortellini, and they have buffalo cauliflower soup. That's different. They have pecan, crunch, tilapia, and they also have stuffed peppers as like their main thing. And then they have, for the sides, they have rice pilaf, roasted cauliflower, curly kale, and sweet potato wedges. So like, I don't know if I should wait for lunch because honestly, that tilapia is that sounds pretty good. I'm not a big tilapia girl, but if there is tilapia, I will usually go for tilapia, but I really want eggs. I don't know, it's 10:30. I'm not like super hungry right now. I like finished my my coffee, and I forgot my Yeti cup and my Stanley cup at home this morning because I was rushing to get to work to make it in by 7. Rice pilaf, roasted cauliflower, like that all sounds so good. I think I'm gonna wait for lunch, yeah, because I'm not like super hungry right now anyway. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. We'll wait for lunch and then you guys will see what I get for lunch. Okay guys, it's literally 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock. I was so busy that I didn't even like realize like the time. I was gonna go down there at like 11:30 or 12. Okay, let's go and get some food. Okay guys, here's what I have for lunch. I have pecan tilapia with rice and cauliflower. You could have gotten sweet potato wedges or kale. And then I also got a little soup of buffalo cauliflower. I heard it's really good, so I don't know. Okay, let's have lunch. It's 1:20. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking good. I don't know what it tastes like. It just tastes so, you know what? it tastes like grits. Like it's kind of like thick and grainy like grits, you know? Oh my gosh, this stuff is so good. Wow. Okay guys, this buffalo cauliflower soup was so freaking good. And one good thing about eating from the hospital is that they have a whole page of nutrition facts for everything that they serve. So yeah. Okay guys, it's 3:30. It's almost 3:30, so I'm getting out of here, but I'm just getting my things together. I'm working from home on Monday, so I have to like bring everything home that I need. But I wanted to show you guys my really cute tote bag that I got, and it's a dupe, so it's not $500 like the original Marc Jacobs bag. But look at this, the tote bag, and like it's so cute. It has like a little thing you can wear like crossbody or so, or you can like carry it like this. But I think this bag was only like $30 on Amazon, so I will link it below for you guys so you guys can buy it, because it's so spacious. It is such a great work bag, especially if you're carrying like your laptop, or if like you're carrying things back and forth. I carry my laptop with me sometimes to work and home, so this is like such a great bag. And then when I go to Thailand in a few months, I'm gonna use this bag as like my personal item. That way it can carry like everything. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. And it comes in like so many different colors. I really like this tan one. So it's cute. It's a cute little dupe.
Okay guys, you guys know how I was craving eggs all day? Well, I came home and made eggs. So I have a low carb tortilla. We've got scrambled eggs with cheese. We're gonna add some red onion. Okay, then I've got some bacon that we're just going to break up into little bits. We're gonna add a little hot sauce, but we're gonna give this a little wrap. Ooh, look at that. And then we're just gonna do just that much potatoes. All right, and we're just gonna add some ketchup right over the potatoes. You guys didn't see me make this, but it's literally just a potato chopped up, salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and I threw it in the air fryer with a little bit of olive oil.
Okay, I'm gonna have this for my dinner tonight. I know I was craving eggs all freaking day, so. And then I ended up having lunch at work with the pecan tilapia. So we just came home and made eggs.